Chapter 11. Jump in and get started. Starting with lean might seem tricky, but it's actually really easy. The best way to learn lean is to just do it. You don't have to make a big plan or wait for the perfect time. Instead, find something small that could be better and start fixing it right now. At my company, I realized that waiting around for things to magically improve wasn't going to work. So we started with little changes, one by one. We'd look for things that took extra time, were messy, or just needed a better spot. Each little fix made a difference, and soon everything started running more smoothly. Here's the secret. Lean doesn't have to be huge or perfect. You just have to jump in and keep improving as you go. Even if you don't know all the answers, trying things out will help you see what works. Every improvement, no matter how small, adds up over time. Try it out. Look around you and pick one small thing to improve right now. Maybe it's organizing your pencils, putting your books in order, or clearing space on your desk. You'll see that just getting started is the key to making things easier. The one thing. Start small, think big. Big changes start with tiny steps. By making little improvements every day, you're already on your way to something amazing. Win with lean. Pick one small thing to make better today, like organizing your supplies or setting up your homework space. Even the smallest steps can lead to big results over time. The lean takeaway. In Chapter 11, we learned that lean isn't about being perfect. It's about getting started. You don't need a big plan. Just pick one small thing to fix or clean right now. Start small and keep going, because big improvements begin with little steps. Chapter 1 taught us the lean basics. Chapter 2 taught us about spotting waste. Chapter 3 taught us to focus on one task. Chapter 4 helped us in understanding waste. Chapter 5 taught us to fix small problems. Chapter 6 showed us the importance of growing together. Chapter 7 showed us the power of 3S. Chapter 8 showed us the importance of teamwork in lean. Chapter 9 taught us the importance of daily improvements. Chapter 10 taught us to keep spaces clean. Chapter 11 taught us to start with simple things. Now let's go to Chapter 12.